everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial today. I have a very quick and sweet little summer card. We are going to be using the Seaside Wishes bundle, which comes with a stamp set and then a hybrid embossing folder, which means that it comes with this embossing folder, but it also has a die set right here that you can emboss and die cut at the same time. You can also just use it as an embossing folder. Then it also comes with some extra dies. It has a little starfish, it has a larger starfish. That's in my project for Monday. And then it comes with two of these little kind of I call them sponges. I don't know what they are. They're like cross sections of sponges, so that's what I want to call them. So it comes with a small and a large, and then some seaweed pieces. So today we're just using this small one right here along with the embossing folder. And then I wanted to change my sentiments up a little bit. I'm doing a thinking of you today card, sentiment. I love this one. This is called Hope You Know. And it has thinking of you today, and then it has, and the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that, and so on. So I just love these two together. So I thought this would be a great thinking of you card. So I am using some petal pink cardstock for a base, and I cut this one 4 1/4 by 11, so it opens from the bottom. Got to switch it up once in a while, you know. And then for my mat, I'm using Calypso Coral, and then we have some of the new Basic Beige on top. And then I have a strip of white for a sentiment, and then a little piece of the Country Lace designer paper, which is on sale this month, 15% off. On the back is this blue, but I'm using the petal pink side with the little polka dots, because that just reminds me of like the suckers on the bottom of the starfish. I don't know. That's why I picked it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to die cut the sponge out of the middle of our Calypso Coral, because we're not going to see the center of this, and that way we don't have to use the extra cardstock. So let's grab our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and do a quick run through and just cut that out of the middle. Okay, that looks like it cut through pretty well. My die brush is downstairs for class, so I don't have that here. I'm going to see if we can get all the bits and pieces out just by smacking it on the table. All right, we'll sweep that up later. Okay, look how nice that cuts. I love that. I got a little hanging chad there, hanging piece. Okay, now I want to add a little bit of sponging on this one just to bring out those sand dollars a little bit more. So I'm going to take a sponge dauber and very lightly, and I know some of you are heavy spongers, very lightly just kind of go over the raised areas. There's some little dots over here. I'll go over sand dollar again. This is our medium-sized sand dollar. And we'll go over the small one. Some more dots over here are raised up a bit. A little bit over here. And if you wanted, you could even kind of just do a little bit of sponging on the edge. Just bring it out a little bit. Okay. That's all we need. Light sponging. I am a big believer in light sponging. Some of you are heavy spongers, I know, and you like it, and that is good. I am looking for this, my seal adhesive, which I can see is almost out. Maybe we can get it to last the rest of the project here. Okay. So if you're watching, I want you to comment if you're a light or a heavy sponger. Let's see what you are. We'll do a poll of how many are light and how many are heavy. Okay. All right. So we've got our base. Now we're just going to do stamp our sentiment. We're going to do Thinking of You Today. I'm just using Calypso Coral ink. Oh, that looks so nice. All right, I've already glued, so I'm gonna hope, I live dangerously, stamp the inside. If it doesn't turn out, I can add a white. I feel like that might be crooked. Not too bad, although I had ink on my finger. Okay, let's see, let me grab my sand eraser. Okay, there we go. Oh God, oh that's not too bad. That looks pretty straight. All right, proud of myself. All right, now let's grab our scissors, our paper snips, and we are going to just trim that. That's not super straight, but that's okay. We're gonna trim it just like this, with just a little bit of an angle, and adhere it to our designer paper. I just want a little bit of that designer paper showing there. Okay, and we can cut this if we wanted. I'm going to tear it. All right. And then we're going to glue this. So let's grab some liquid glue. I'm just using a small amount of liquid glue. I'm just kind of lightly just going over a few of the places. I want that little notch to show right here. There's a little notch right there. I want that to show. And then we're going to put a little bit of this twine on the back. This is, you could tie a bow or we're just going to zigzag it. This is from the Baker's Twine Essentials pack or Essentials Baker Twine pack. I can't remember. It's called it has Essentials and Baker's Twine in there somewhere. Okay, I'm just doing a zigzag. And then we're going to pop that up. Right here. Probably could have gone with less of the DSP, but that's okay. I'm going to tear off a little bit extra there. Okay, and then I have got, these are called iridescent foil gems. I love these. The side of my pack is open for some reason. Hold on, where's the opening? Okay, I love these because they go with anything. They also look like little sea glass, which is one of the reasons that I picked these for this project. They kind of go with the basic beige. Because they're iridescent too, they also pick up other colors that are near them. But they do look a little bit like sea glass. I think that's really pretty. Okay. And let's see, let's stamp. Let's just do the little starfish. I have the big starfish already pulled out. Let's see, I have another black here. The big starfish is pulled out. But I want to just stamp a little starfish down here too. Let's just do a cute little starfish right there. Love it. Let's do it on the envelope. Cute. Oh my goodness. You know what? Let's stamp off one. And just do that right there. Stamp off again. We'll do kind of like a little spray of starfish. All right. I hope you enjoyed that project today. I will post measurements and supplies on my blog. Don't forget our designer paper is 15% off during the month of August. Oh, I'm developing a lisp all of a sudden. The month of August, and then when you place an order of $50 or more this month, I will send you a pack of our card kit. Our card kit cards from Thursday, And you need to use the host code though. If your order is under $150, please use the host code. If it's over $150, don't use it and I'll send it to you anyway. So $35, you're gonna get a pack of the cards for free, and for $50, I'll include a pack of embellishments. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by, and I'm gonna make a 3D project on Monday to coordinate with this. So I'll bring this back on Monday. We're gonna make a super cute little box. I love it. All right, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.